right, Coach. We have Coach Rudolph here after a 2-0 win away to Harbour. Talk us through the match before we do our analysis.
Well, it was a tough game. Harbourview, no matter where they are in the league, Harbourview is still Harbourview. It was always a tough task to come here and get something. But I think my team came here and did very well. I think it was a very good professional game from us. Better attitude, good discipline, and we defended well and we got 2 goals and we kept it that way.
6 games now that Coach Harbourview unable to come out victorious. What was the mentality going into this game? Do you think that the players slacked off a little bit during the match because they have Harbourview not as somebody who would beat them?
No, Harbourview is one of the clubs that have a big history. And no matter how you see they might struggle, I know when they play Portmore, they're always going to give their all. And Harbourview never surprised. Maybe next season they come and they're very strong. You never know with Harbourview. You have to give respect where respect is due. And we came here and we know that it's going to be a tough game. That's why we came with the mentality that we did, and make sure we give a very good professional account of ourselves.
Is there any moment in the game that you think the players went against the tactics today? Did they carry out their tactics properly today?
Yes, but in football you might plan everything and some individual errors, or some things gonna happen in the game. It's just that, when things like that happen is how you fix it as a team. And I think, that's why you cover for each other and you help each other and you try to, fix each other's mistake. And I think they did that very well today.
Coach, we're looking on it now and seeing that we have 8 games left right now in the season. You know that during the second round especially, it wasn't the best of form like how it was in the first round. Do you think that this victory today can kick on for the rest of the season now that we pick up with the form?
Yes, I think our form came down to we weren't scoring, but we were always creating chances. So I think now we started a bit better at scoring goals, and we have a very good defense. So whenever we score, we always get something out of the game.
Coach, the clean sheets are working in now. So far, Portmore Utd is known as one of the best defensive units in the league. How important is it to keep the attackers on their foot scoring goals so that the defense can help you guys and carry guys to the title?
It's just one task for them. With a defense like what we have, the attackers know that they have to get 1 or 2 goals, and that's the mentality. If we come into each game and we have a good mentality about clean sheet, you will always leave that game with something, a point at least. So that's the mentality of the team. And I think the players buy into it very well, and that has been, the tradition of the club over the years. We hate when we concede goals and stuff. So I think these defenders buy into it, and they are doing very well as a team because you just don't keep clean sheet with the back four. It's defending start from the striker.
Coach, Portmore Utd finished the game very, very strong. How difficult is it this season, specifically this season, to keep the players this fit and also manage recovery for the team to play so much games but finishing so strong?
It helped with, I'm no doctor, but some of my experience as a player, sometimes when it's like fast and quick like this with the game, you just have to just do small stuff, little active recovery. You can't really play. It's like the championship, you play, rest, play, rest, play, rest, and do little activities. And the day before, you do something tactical, some walkthroughs and stuff, because, and to get the others really up, the ones who are not playing, they are the most important because you have to get them ready. So when the others that's playing a lot are tired, then those ones can come in and help.
As you just mentioned, to get the others in the game, you have been doing a lot of rotation so far this season. Is the case in which you're trying to find a balance, or is it just an aspect of managing the team and overall concept of the team throughout the season?
We have 30 players, and none of them are bench players. We have 30 quality players. That's how I look at the players. So I always tell them, And it makes no sense if you're not playing, you're sitting and moaning. You just have to be ready. Like Russell, he wasn't involved in some of our games. You know, we spoke the other day and I told him he's going to get his chance, but he has to be ready. He has to be ready. And he came today, score. What can I do, or what else can I ask for as a coach? You know, so it was brilliant from him.
All right, thank you, coach.
No problem.